Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Sometimes we need to create more than one drop-down list and with items displayed in the second drop-down list to be dependent on what the user selected in the first drop-down. These lists are called as dependent drop-down list. Open Excel 2007. Enter the data that we want to shown in drop-down list. Here I have products information in various stores and make sure that items in one drop-down list must coincide with the titles in second drop-down list data. And if there are any space in the data, please use underscore in place of space. After this, let's create define names for each group. Select this cell, come to formulas. In define names group, please select name manager, click new, and please add a define name in the same way that is in this cell. Click OK. Like this, we need to create define names for each category. We can also create define names directly by selecting the cells. In name box, please type define name Meenakshi underscore stores and press enter. Like this, create define names for all the categories. After creating the define names, select a cell where we want to add a drop-down list. We can select the cell in same worksheet or in other worksheet. After this, come to data menu. In data tools, please select data validation. In settings tab, please select to list, and in source, please type equal to stores. OK. And then we got a drop-down list. Click the arrow and it will show the items under this drop-down list. We can select any item. And after this, select another cell where we want to create the dependent drop-down list. Again, come to data menu, select data validation, select list in settings tab. In source, we need to use different formula. Please type equal to indirect, open bracket, and we need to add cell address of selected item in first drop-down list, that is D14. Close the bracket. Before this, we need to add $sign. After that, click on OK. Now click the arrow and it will show the items under selected item in first drop-down list. In first drop-down, I have selected Meenakshi stores. Under Meenakshi stores, we have kitchenware and electronics. Similarly, to create another dependent drop-down list, select this cell, come to data validation, select a list. In source, please type equal to indirect, open bracket, add $sign and cell reference F14. Close the bracket, click on OK. Now let's click on the arrow and here it is showing the items under electronics, televisions, refrigerators, washing machines, cameras and microwaves. We can pick the item from the list. Sometimes it is hard to know which cells contain the drop-down list. Hence it makes sense to mark these cells by either giving it a distinct border or a background color. For that, come to Home tab. In editing group, please click the arrow next to Find Select. In this, please select Go to Special. In Go to Special window, please select Data Validation. We can select all data validations or same data validation. Here I'm selecting all. Click OK. Then it will highlight all the data validation cells. After that, come to font. In this, I want to fill the color. Similarly, I want to change font color and I want to make it as bold so that everyone can easily find the dependent drop-down list. Like this, we can create dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBut143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.